Hello and welcome everyone to this new video. Today, I'm going to show you something that's beyond science fiction. Afterward, we'll also talk about possible uses and potential interactions. But hold on tight because I'm going to show you two things, and this time, guys, 3CX has outdone itself. Watch this. All right, I'm making a call.
Hello, this is Lisa Smith at reception. How can I help you reach the right department?
Hi, Lisa. I'd like to make a reservation.
Perfect. I can help you book an appointment. Can you tell me your name, please?
Valerio.
Thank you, Valerio. For what day would you like to schedule the appointment?
I'd like to please schedule it for tomorrow at 10 o'clock in the morning, if possible.
Perfect. So for tomorrow, what time would you prefer to come in?
At 10.
Perfect. I put you down for 10 o'clock. Can you tell me what type of visit this is for?
A filling.
Perfect. So a feeling. Can you leave a phone number for confirmation?
Sure. 123456.
Thank you. I've registered your appointment for a filling tomorrow at 10 o'clock. We will confirm with you shortly at the number 123456. I hope you have a good day.
Perfect. Thank you. Bye. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a good day.
So now the system then registers the message and sends it. It sends it in two ways. One is here in the chat. The other, if you want, is via email. I can have it integrate with Outlook, so it goes on the calendar. I haven't done that right now, but I can cancel or move the appointment. It all depends on how I write the script. This is a basic script to show you the functionality. But now I'm going to show you this. Hold on a second. I'll call Lisa again. Hey, Lisa, come on back.
Hello, this is Lisa Smith at the reception of the Dentisano Dental Practice. How can I help you reach the right department?
Can you speak English?
Sure, I can switch to English. How can I assist you today?
Yeah, I want to book an appointment.
All right, I can help you book an appointment. Could you tell me your name, please?
Actually, can you speak French, right?
Of course, I can speak French. How can I help you book your appointment?
Well, my name is Valerio.
Thank you, Valerio. For what day would you like to make an appointment?
Do you speak Spanish?
So, you tell me if this isn't something fantastic. Guys, when I tried it before recording the video, I started laughing because it's funny.
I would like in the afternoon.
I understand. We'll go step by step. First, I need to know the exact day you would like to schedule the appointment. And then we can choose a time in the afternoon. What day do you have in mind?
Feeling, I don't know how to say in Spanish. Feeling, filler, sorry.
I understand. It seems you want a filling treatment, what we call a filling for a...
I don't understand Russian.
Of course, I absolutely understand Russian. Please tell me, what day would you like to book?
Do you speak Chinese, I bet, right?
Yes, I can speak Chinese as well. Let me know if you'd like me to continue in Chinese.
No, I want you to speak in Arabic.
Of course I can speak Arabic. Please tell me, what is the day you would like to set the appointment for?
So you tell me honestly if this isn't something truly fantastic, something genuinely remarkable. Guys, when I tried it out before I started recording the video, I just couldn't help myself. I started laughing because it's honestly funny. It's clearly funny, especially for the technicians and engineers who are the ones responsible for implementing something like this. It's obviously funny to them. But beyond just being amusing, the business potential here is absolutely limitless, with no boundaries or restrictions. The possibilities for growth, expansion, and innovation in this area are truly endless. And it's exciting to think about what could be achieved. Now I'll show you, let's get serious for a moment. And I created an agent here that, in fact, I called Lisa Smith, but I can also create more agents. In this case, if I go into Lisa Smith, agent type, here is the script I made, and I set the presentation language to Italian, but of course I can put another one. But I can also create other types of agents, for example, sales agents who are specifically designed to handle sales-related tasks. So in this scenario, I tell Lisa, let's always call her Lisa for consistency, who is acting as a sales agent to make a phone call and present my company, or how should I put it, to try to sell a product or service to a potential customer. And not only can she do this in Italian, but also in English, Russian, Spanish, and really in any language you can think of. Okay, it's truly fantastic and quite impressive. It all depends on what script you use and how you use it and how you implement it. The script is not difficult to create and implement. Anyway, you can also find the documentation on the 3CX forum, for example, and on the 3CX website, of course. This version of 3CX that has this artificial intelligence feature is only available for the enterprise version. The sponsor of this video is 3CX, and I want to sincerely thank them for giving me the wonderful opportunity to run this test, which is just absolutely beautiful. As for the rest, everything remains the same. Then, in the new version, version 20, with its new features, we have even more. A brand new feature from 3CX, besides this beautiful artificial intelligence one, is the ability to integrate the 3CX monitor with Grafana. And I also tried it with PRTG, and it works. But anyway, we'll talk about that in another video. So if you want to try this feature, or if you obviously need it for your business, you can contact 3CX or the local reseller to, well, get the upgrade for your PBX version if it's not already the Enterprise Edition, or in any case to ask for information about the PBX and the Enterprise version. That's all for now, and thank you.